We are the International Fix-It Force, and we are the developer and designer of the BC Healthcare Hub app. When you're an international student arriving to study in British Columbia, there's a lot of things to do before and during your arrival, such as a budget to manage, new friends to meet, and an entirely new culture to experience. Applying for provincial health insurance is probably not a high priority on your list. The medical service plan, also known as MSP, is complex, confusing, and takes a significant chunk of time of your busy life. BC healthcare system is probably different from your home country, making it more confusing. But British Columbia is here to support and guide you through the first step in Canada, and begins with the BC New Healthcare Hub mobile app. We're making it easier than ever to learn about our healthcare system and apply for MSP right from your phone. We want to make accessing affordable healthcare more understandable to you and easier to navigate, all at your own pace.
Your journey begins at the landing page, where you can change the app's language to make it more comfortable navigating through the app. Landing on the home page has everything you need at your fingertips. The carousel gives you important topics to consider, while shortcuts to popular health resources and nearby clinics follow as you scroll down the page. At the bottom, the navigation menu gets you straight to the landing pages of MSP, health resources, and clinics to access specific information regarding each of these topics. To get you started with BC's healthcare system, we have a health resources page. These health insurance resources, for example, give information for different healthcare programs, which can reduce your spending on prescriptions and treatments. This resources page also has information on common illnesses, giving you the tools on how to recognize and treat them in an easy-to-read symptom summary section. But if you need to see a doctor, head over to the clinics page. This gives you information about nearby walk-in clinics, primary care centers, and hospitals. There are live wait times and filter options to help you find the right clinic for your needs.
Doctors and emergency visits are free, but only if you have insurance that covers it. International students need to apply for MSP during their first semester. The MSP application process is our main feature of the app. We're trying to make applying for it fast and easy for you. We're doing this in 4 ways. Preparing you for the MSP application through pre-application questionnaires, breaking up the application process into easy to understand steps, and allowing you to fill out the application at your own pace, as well as using AI to help you fill out your application quicker. The first step is a pre-evaluation questionnaire that gets you prepared for the MSP application. It suggests actions to take if you aren't fully eligible or ready to start the application. The MSP application itself is divided into 4 steps. You can complete steps 1 and 2 in any order, making it easier to start with the information you already have on hand. Once you've completed the first 2 steps, you can move on to step 3, where you can add any optional components to your application, and finally finish up by submitting your application in step 4. If you're not ready to submit, you can always come back later to fill in any missing information. The application securely saves your data to your device, allowing you to work on the application anytime, anywhere at your own pace. Finally, we use on-device optical character recognition to scan your documents and automatically fill in your personal details, making it quicker and easier to complete your application. So why choose the BC Healthcare Hub? Because the questionnaire, the application's flexible step-by-step process, the persistent data saving, and AI integration makes applying for MSP effortless.
With British Columbia's Healthcare Hub, international students can quickly access important healthcare resources and easily apply for provincial health insurance, promoting a smooth transition when moving to BC to study. This marks the first step of the Government of British Columbia Digital Plan, a plan to transform government service to be more inclusive, accessible, and connected more than ever before. The BC Healthcare Hub is a basis for the future of our healthcare system, designed with and for the people. You can visit our prototype in the link in the slides and view our slides with the live GIFs that you see in our presentation.